Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. We are monitoring the latest developments this tax season as a latest batch of tax refunds have now been issued, with reports coming in from taxpayers that those direct deposits are reaching their bank accounts. So we're going to take a look at that. Meanwhile, we'll recap on those tax refund delays many continue to experience, including early filers, those claiming tax credits and filing paper returns, and continued reports of adjusted refunds this tax season. The latest developing news this tax season is that the April 20th batch of tax refunds have now been issued and transmitted by the IRS to banks nationwide. Taxpayers who have accounts with Bank of America, Chime, Credit Karma, Chase, and Wells Fargo were among the first to confirm that those direct deposits have in fact reached their accounts as scheduled. While the majority that are part of this batch will receive those deposits the day of, some taxpayers can expect to wait an additional 1 to 2 days to post to their accounts. If you're part of this latest batch and do not receive your refund by Monday, April 25th, you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS to locate that refund. Do note if the IRS receives that direct deposit back as rejected, they will automatically issue out a paper check to the address on file. Meanwhile, taxpayers continue to report delays in the processing of their tax returns and issuing of refunds like seen here. Now, this is happening despite 96% of all submitted tax returns so far being processed this tax season. Now, there are several reasons why taxpayers may be experiencing delays with the processing of refunds aside from extended processing times, and they include ID verification needed, incorrect tax credit amounts entered on the tax return, or wage information that does not match what the IRS has on file. A significant number of taxpayers this season have reported having their tax refund placed on hold due to identity verification needed, many of whom were not aware this was the issue causing the delay until they reached the IRS by phone or spoke to a taxpayer advocate. If you're subject to ID verification, you're supposed to be mailed out the 5071C letter as seen here, but in a number of instances, impacted taxpayers are reported not receiving, which is causing some confusion. For those still waiting on paper tax returns to be processed, based off the latest information that has been released, there's still 2.3 million unprocessed paper returns from this tax year, with another 2.7 million paper returns that need to be processed from last year. Since the IRS is not using scanning technology on these returns, each return has to be manually processed at one of the 3 remaining processing centers in the country. Meanwhile, taxpayers continue to report in that the IRS has adjusted their refund amounts like seen here. Now, there are multiple reasons in the reduction of refunds, including past due tax debt, but what we've seen this tax season is a significant amount of reductions has to do with tax credits such as the Recovery Rebate Credit, child tax credits, and the Earned Income Tax Credit. Now, the issue we're seeing with reduced refunds relating to child tax credits is taxpayers attempting to claim the full amount of CTC after they already received those advanced CTC payments in 2021, which equal 50% of the overall CTC amount. So now the IRS is auto-adjusting those returns as a result, which will reduce those refund amounts as well as cause processing delays. Another situation related to refund reductions is in regards to the Recovery Rebate Credit being improperly claimed. If a taxpayer received that third stimulus payment, then there should be no amount listed on line 30 of that return. However, some taxpayers are in fact entering an amount when they already received that stimulus payment. So again, another situation in which the IRS will have to auto-adjust those refunds. Let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks